Hello everyone, my name is Elijah O'Neill, Manager of Education for Mercury One's American Journey Experience Museum. And on behalf of our entire education team, I am thrilled to announce the return of the much anticipated Family Seminar in 2025. Mark your calendars for April 25th and 26th and prepare for an exciting 2-day journey at Glenn Beck's History Museum located in the Las Colinas area of Dallas, Texas. During this seminar, we'll explore America's extraordinary heritage through a biblical, historical, and constitutional lens, while showcasing incredible and authentic artifacts from the periods we'll be discussing. Each morning, we'll kick off with a dynamic history presentation from Tim and David Barton of WallBuilders, followed by a hands-on artifact breakout session. These sessions allow for families to get up and close with the one-in-kind artifacts and are guided by our education support staff. To make it even more special, every day includes exclusive access to the American Journey Experience Vault, home to thousands of artifacts spanning from the time of Christopher Columbus all the way to the space race. Do you want to learn more? Visit theamericanjourneyexperience.com to learn more. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to some of our museum support staff, and don't wait too long to purchase tickets. This event has sold out in as little as a week before, and we want everyone to have the opportunity to come and see what all the fuss is about. Thank you, God bless you, and we hope to see you there.